Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zara back with another video. Today I'm taking you all with me on a hike to Rio Seco, and I'd really appreciate if you all would continue to watch the video, watch the entire video as well. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Today is Monday, the 1st of June. Something in my eye, Jed. You walk with your knife? No, you. So we are on our way. We are on our way to Rio Seco. Jadi mau hari kecil. Kalian look dong. Ikan. And we are going to hike on our shy. What are you looking? You think I'm ready? This is my first hike.
You are ready.
This is my first ever hike, and we in the bush, and we are can stush. You also the people that we came on this hike with. Fun.
Going slow.
I'm starting to eat bread.
Take your time.
Okay, so we reaching up to them. Kind of. Don't step on the roots. She said don't step on the roots. We almost reach. I wonder who was the first person to discover this route, and if they like clear down the paths, the walkway paths now.
Okay guys, so we meet back up.
Yes, girl, you should do
The
my
crew.
job for me, yes?
And it sounds really nice down there.
Yeah. Go from here. I can't keep up with you, girl.
What time will you outside? 20 past. What time is it now?
11.
11 o'clock?
One thing, then this
How
warm
about
up.
this now?
She knows how to mouth.
Sorry?
She knows how to mouth.
She understands English.
Yes.
Breathe in.
I just want to say, I find it
She
I
understands
was like,
English.
what? Like,
You understand? She wants to know to pour the water so she knows that.
alright, let me don't keep back the group.
No, no.
You alright?
You pace yourself.
Better than you catch yourself.
But she never hiked before.
Yeah.
Alright.
Let me go near that.
Y'all, we finally reached the waterfall. Trying to get everybody here. Alright, I'll need some assistance. Thank you very much. I can't. I'll come for here. On the trail here, Nayola dog on the trail. Hold it up here. Sorry, I was just getting you taking your shot now.
Yeah, me take a shot of a man taking a shot?
Yeah,
Huh?
yeah. Wow, y'all see this? Oh, y'all see this waterfall? Oh my god. This is Trinidad and Tobago. This is Rio Seco.
What I now looking for? I was seeing it there before, but you know they know. Well, look at this here.
Wow.
Wait, they're making that look real nice. Okay guys, so
You're diving?
I'm about to go in this water. Big up yourself.
We going in, we going in. We going in, you're diving?
Of course, I dive in. I think.
Like what?
But guys, this is my first hike. It was really, really difficult for me. I was sweating. Yeah, of course I'm gonna dive. No, while I'm doing my vlog, guys. Vlog for YouTube. Come on, subscribe.
Are you diving?
Guys, so I'm about to head into this water. I have my action cam, which I'm gonna do an unboxing soon. So stay tuned for that video if you're looking to purchase an action cam. The shoots in 4K and it's reasonable. So this video will be coming soon. And we have a vlogger here too. Where's on your belly?
Oh, that's my tat.
What? You Scorpion King? So tell them what's your name. Come on.
Cookie Monster Inc. subscribe, show some love, like, share, hit us up. Look for good
Course,
videos.
right. So we might do a collab soon. You
Yes,
never know, you know.
definitely.
Never know. And I just met this guy on this hike. So look at the sun on my face now, boy. You can get a sun. Where you can get a sun? Where you can? Go by my face, Chrissy, because I real sweat. But where you can get a sun? Only in Trinidad and Tobago. George Vivian, how do you do it? Yes, hold on, take it.
Good teeth. 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 You will answer Mark?
Yeah, I want some to Mark. No, Mark. What do you do it? Just hold it so. Then
Yeah.
go.
Then dive
Let's
in.
go. Let's go with Mark. You want to do it?
Go back there. That's what you want now do.
3, 2, 1. Yo, I got it.
Wait, this man just really pushed me in that river, boy. Let's play this again.
Yeah, man, my soul is my body.
Nah, really and truly could not make that jump all here.
Jesus come first. Well, the real focus on it and I don't have a way to go in.
Yeah, I don't think that's a good idea.
I'm real hungry. Me, I listen.
This one?
You didn't see when I went up there?
Also, this is the end of the adventure. It was nice for our first time. It was really nice for our first time. I just couldn't jump all there. I really was, I don't know, fair. Nuts all your nuts.